Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by reclaiming the most RAM, so close the heavy apps now. Use NVIDIA SMI or Task Manager to see exactly what holds memory. Note PIDs. Once identified, kill or gracefully stop those processes and restart any Python kernels. This frees fragmented RAM. Make sure to disable overlays and background GPU hooks because they keep allocations alive. Doing this first shortens troubleshooting, and it prevents chasing phantom memory leaks instead of the real consumer of GPU RAM. Once processes are cleared, address the driver state. A corrupted driver can hang RAM allocations. On Windows, restart the GPU driver with a quick key combo or reboot. On Linux, restart the NVIDIA Persistence Service or unload/reload kernel modules. Make sure your driver and CUDA versions match your application, because mismatches cause leaks or allocation failures. If the driver restart does not free memory, perform a display driver reset or power cycle the GPU. This reinitializes hardware allocations and clears stubborn RAM. You finish by fully clearing any remaining hardware state, power cycle the PC, or reset the GPU to force all memory to reset. Once powered back up, run a small test program to allocate a known amount of RAM to confirm capacity. This proves success. If memory remains locked, update motherboard BIOS and GPU firmware because low-level bugs can reserve RAM. One troubleshooting tip: if you still see allocations after a reset, swap the GPU into another system to isolate board failure versus system driver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.